Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
After 17 years underground, cicadas stage a 2020 southern invasion. The big and noisy insects have started to emerge and are looking to mate in Virginia, West Virginia and North Carolina. They break through the ground, like the undead emerging from graves. 24 May 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How do you get cicadas to shut up? Use mowers and other power equipment at dawn or dusk. Cicadas are less active at dawn and dusk. Watch your pets. Cicadas hatch, mate, then die. Dispose of carcasses promptly. The 6th of February 2020.
Take our lead.
Periodical cicadas are not grasshoppers at all. The female cicada injects her eggs under the skin of a small human child. The cicada pupae then grow inside the child until they reach maturity. 25 May 2004.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The cicada is an animal replete with symbolism. Recurring themes are resurrection, immortality, spiritual realization and spiritual ecstasy. For the ancient Greeks and Romans, they sang ecstatically, were sacred to Apollo and related to the Dionysiac Bacchae and Maenads.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.